Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken salad from a rotisserie chicken. First, ensure your rotisserie chicken is cooled. Carefully remove all the skin and bones, discarding them. Then, using your hands or 2 forks, shred the chicken meat into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Aim for about 3 to 4 cups of shredded chicken. This foundational step is crucial for a great texture in your finished salad. Now, let's bring it all together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your shredded chicken with about 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise. Next, add 1/4 cup of finely diced celery for a nice crunch, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chives for a subtle onion flavor. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, then mix gently until everything is well combined. This is where you can truly make the chicken salad your own. Consider adding 1/4 cup of chopped grapes or dried cranberries for a touch of sweetness. For extra crunch, mix in 2 tablespoons of toasted pecans or walnuts. Fresh herbs like dill or parsley can also elevate the flavor profile significantly. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed, ensuring it suits your preference perfectly. Your delicious rotisserie chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it on your favorite bread for a classic sandwich, with crackers, or in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. For the best flavor, I recommend chilling the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator and will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.